you're watching this video, you must have purchased one of our YM series tractors. Smart choice. Thanks for choosing Yanmar. I'm Emily Hicks, a customer engagement specialist here, and today I'm going to talk about the orientation and operation of your new YM series tractors. The YM series features 3 models, the YM342, 347, and 359. We'll be showcasing the YM347 today, but we'll be sure to call out any differences on the other models. For complete details, always remember to refer to your tractor's operation manual. Also, consult with your Yanmar dealer should you have any additional questions. Okay then, here we go. Because safety is always first when you're behind the wheel of any Yanmar tractor, be sure to review basic safety precautions, features, and perform your pre-operational checks as outlined in your operation manual. Please wear personal protective equipment, including your work boots, ear and eye protection. We need you out there safe, happy, and healthy. Before you operate your tractor, always check for overhead clearance for anything that could potentially be hit by the rollover protective structure, or the ROPS. Ensure people or obstacles are not near your tractor, and always be of sound mind and body before taking the controls. We want you and your tractor operating at maximum efficiency. The ROPS is an important safety feature on your tractor. When operating normally, it should be in the up and locked position. The ROPS should only be folded down when low clearance is required, and then raised back up once clear. To settle into your tractor, you'll want to address the adjustable suspension seat. Use the forward-backward lever to move the seat to the most comfortable position. Next, adjust the seat back by pulling up on the lever to release the seat back to the position most comfortable to you. The height knob is located just to the left of the forward-backward lever. To adjust it, you should be seated. Depending on how bouncy or firm you like your ride, adjust the seat firmness suspension knob clockwise for more firmness, counterclockwise if you like it looser, or moonlight as a bull rider. Once your ideal seat position is set and comfortable, buckle up. You're ready to feel the true power of your YM tractor. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. The ignition switch is positioned here on the top right. The 3 positions are off, on, and start. In the off position, the engine won't run, but your horn and hazards can. On energizes the electrical system, which powers the headlights, optional work light, turn signal lights, and the external power supply. Engine start position will start the engine. Once running, release the key. This allows it to return to the on position. In cold weather, warm up the engine to heat the hydraulic system. See your operation manual for details on timing. To start the tractor, the following conditions must be met. The reverser lever is in neutral. The parking brake lock is engaged with the left and right brake pedals coupled. The power takeoff PTO switch is in the off position. 3-point hitch and loader implements are on ground. The throttle control lever is in the idle position. Once these conditions are met, turn the ignition switch to on and then all the way to start. Once the engine starts, release the key. Just listen to that thing purr. Let me point out a few more things while I'm in the seat. Use this switch to control the headlights, turn signals, and horn. On the opposite side, push this button for hazard lights. At the base of the steering column on the right, you'll find the parking brake. To engage, first press down both brake pedals and pull the lever up. The brake pedals should stay depressed. To disengage, press the brake pedals again, push the parking brake lever all the way down, and release the locked brake pedals. Speaking of the brake pedals, they're both here. The brakes can operate independently by uncoupling the connector. Make sure you remember to couple them again before getting on the road. Then you're good to go, stop. As for the levers inside the cab, here you go. Your YM tractor is equipped with four-wheel drive, which is engaged by using this orange lever found on the left side of the seat. Make sure the tractor is stopped and use the clutch whenever shifting from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive and four-wheel drive back to two-wheel drive. To engage, push the lever forward. To return to two-wheel drive, pull the lever backward. Your differential lock pedal will help you get out of sticky situations. It can be engaged by pressing the lever located here. The differential lock is designed to be used off-road for short durations. When it's coupled with four-wheel drive, you can get out of nearly anything. To the left of the four-wheel drive lever is the range shift lever. The lever has a high and low range separated by a neutral setting. High range is used for higher travel speed and light work applications. Selecting low range reduces travel speed and is used for heavy load operations. The tractor must be stopped and clutch engaged to change ranges. The main shift lever is here. It has 4 speeds and neutral. The higher the number on the gear, the faster the speed, but the lower the pulling force. Here on the left side of the wheel is the reverser lever. You can use this to change direction. Move it up for forward, to the middle for neutral, and down for reverse. One of 8 forward and 8 reverse speeds can be selected when the range shift lever is used with the main shift and reverser levers. Engine speed controls hydraulic flow, PTO, and ground speed. This can be controlled by either the throttle control lever or the accelerator pedal. The throttle control lever is the orange lever over here to the right side just behind the steering wheel. Push forward to increase RPMs and pull back to decrease. The accelerator pedal is on the far right side of the floorboard. Press the accelerator pedal to increase engine speed. Vroom vroom. Your YM series tractor comes equipped with a hydraulic electric PTO clutch. The PTO can be turned on or off any time while the engine is running by using the PTO switch. The PTO powers any implement you may have attached. To turn the PTO on, idle the engine speed, push and rotate the PTO switch to on. When the PTO is on, you'll want to adjust the engine speed as listed in your operation manual. Remember, always keep your PTO shield in place. The PTO selection lever allows you to change between standard 540 and 540E rotation speed. The PTO RPMs are the same in both settings. However, the engine speed for 540E is reduced for better fuel economy. An application example of this would be light mowing. Dense mowing may require standard or fully powered 540. Remember to only change the PTO speed when the tractor is stopped. When it's time to get to work, chances are you'll want to attach an implement to your tractor. Enter your 3-point hitch. The 3-point hitch control lever is labeled 1 through 6 and controls the height of the 3-point hitch. Moving it forward lowers the implement, and moving it backward raises it. Keep in mind, those numbers are just for reference purposes and don't indicate an exact height for the attached implement. But the lower the number, the closer the attachment is to the ground. Tightening the position stop knob can set a desirable attachment height. This provides consistent implement height or depth control. Beneath the seat is the hydraulic flow control knob. Adjustment will be needed with each type of implement to prevent a drastic drop when lowering. Turn clockwise to slow descent and counterclockwise to increase descent. Your drop rate should be 2 seconds or more, so easy does it. This is the 3-point hitch. It is used to connect implements. Once implements are attached, make sure they are level and secured as required in the applicable manual. Now, let's examine how the loader control lever is used out there. The bucket has a level indicator on the right loader arm. When the indicator is in the notch, the loader bucket is level. To raise the bucket, pull back on the implement control lever. Shifting the control lever to the left will curl the bucket. Shifting this lever to the right dumps the bucket. The bucket will fast dump if the lever is moved all the way to the right. Pushing the lever forward will lower the bucket. The float function can be engaged by pushing the lever forward past the detent. To release float, pull the lever back slightly. You should feel it come out of detent. The implement control lever can be locked into neutral using this lock. Be careful when handling large or heavy loads that may cause the tractor to roll over or the object to shift, fall, and strike the operator or someone else. No one likes a daredevil. The rear remote handle controls hydraulic flow to rear-mounted implements like batwing mowers that would need hydraulic power. The hydraulic couplings are located at the rear of the tractor. There's an extend, retract, and float position. The drawbar is standard on your YM series tractor. Before using it, make sure the vertical load does not exceed the maximum recommendations and remember to use safety chains. To deploy your drawbar, remove the hairpin clip and the pin. Then set the drawbar length by positioning the holes on the bar and the bracket. Reinstall the hairpin clip and pin once you've found the right length. Well, congratulations on staying with me. The last thing you'll want to know is how to shut down your tractor's engine at the end of a long day. Here's how. Press down the clutch. Press the brake pedals down. If used, push the PTO off. Move the reverser lever to neutral and lower any implements to the ground. Shift the throttle control lever to low idle. Lock the parking brake. Turn the ignition key switch to the off position. This tractor purchase was a big investment. So to keep your tractor in shape, refer to your operation manual for details on your service schedule. Remember, the first 50-hour service is crucial. Proper and timely maintenance will keep your warranty intact. Well, that's it for now. If you have any other questions along the way, see your operation manual or your local Yanmar dealer. And remember to visit us at yanmartractor.com for more tips on tractor maintenance and operation.